Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will be making eggless chocolate chip cookies. They are kids' favorite and super easy to make. So let's get started. To make the chocolate chip cookies, we will need the following ingredients. We will need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1/4 cup semi-sweet white chocolate chips, 1½ teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of dark brown sugar, 1/2 cup melted butter that should be at room temperature, 1/3 cup of Greek yogurt or 3½ tablespoons of regular yogurt at room temperature, 1/4 cup regular sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda or sodium bicarbonate, 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch or corn flour, and 1/2 teaspoon of table salt. Line 2 baking trays with some parchment paper or butter paper. Add the butter. Make sure all the ingredients are at room temperature. Add 1/3 cup of thick Greek yogurt or 3 tablespoons of regular yogurt, 1½ teaspoon of vanilla extract, this 2 tablespoons of dark brown sugar, and about 1/4 cup of white sugar or the regular sugar, and we beat this. Also add the salt to it. Beat till soft peaks. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch or corn flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Sift the dry ingredients. Mix these ingredients well. Transfer the dry ingredients into the beaten butter and sugar mixture. And fold it. So we have transferred half the dough into this. So we are adding white chocolate chips to this. Fold it. And to this remaining dough, we add the 1/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and fold it. Scoop a small amount of the dough, that is 1/8 spoon, and place it on the baking tray. Bake the cookies in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. So the cookies have baked well. You can cool the cookies by placing them on a wire rack or overlapping them as shown in this plate. The cookies at room temperature will be nice and soft and perfect to have them with milk or with tea. Like watching this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please don't forget to hit the bell icon. Keep watching our channel and thanks for watching.